Crunchified Clean friends, welcome. So if you know me, you know I clean a lot, like a lot. I own a cleaning business. I go through a lot of cleaning bags. I have a lot of cleaning bags, but I need a really good cleaning bag. And when I tell you I am excited to try this one, trust me, I'm excited. So I found the designer. Her name is Natalie. I found her in a cleaning group. She designed this cleaning bag because she's a cleaning professional herself. So I bought it. And let me tell you, it's fantastic. It came with 5 gorgeous pink microfiber cloths. Look how huge those things are. I mean, beautiful. The bag comes in 2 sizes, has a ton of compartments, an adjustable strap. It has pockets that have like a plastic lining, so it makes it super easy to wipe clean. Where regular bags that are cloth, they get all sticky and disgusting if they get wet. These have like a lining, so you could just wipe them clean. It's fantastic. You got the bottom there, that really pretty silvery shiny looking bottom, but it collapses, so I can open it up and close the bag and make it compact if I have to like move somewhere. But look at all the storage. It holds so many things. I'm just super excited. I'm very, very excited to try this out. Check out the video. If you want to know what it's called and where to get it, I have an Amazon link on my website, crunchycleaningbycathy.com. So use my link and there's a coupon code. So all you cleaners, get this bag. I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm so excited. It's designed by a fellow cleaner herself. So check it out. Crunchified Clean.